Before a hacker can exploit a system, they must first understand it. Every target leaves clues behind.
Before touching a target, attackers gather information. Every open service, every device, every exposed system becomes a potential clue. Think of network traffic like conversations inside a building. Packet analysis allows defenders to understand who is talking and what information is moving. In a man-in-the-middle scenario, communication is secretly redirected through an intermediary before reaching its destination. Now we can inspect and modify the data. Attackers don't see websites the same way users do. They analyze requests, responses, APIs, and hidden functionality. A Trojan often appears harmless on the surface while performing unauthorized actions behind the scenes. Getting access to a system is one thing. Gaining higher privileges is often where attackers achieve their real objective. Every action performed by an attacker creates signals. Modern security teams search for those signals before damage occurs. Before any attack happens, the first step is understanding the environment. Every connected device expands the attack surface. Every open service is a potential entry point. Security professionals continuously assess which services should be exposed. Most attacks leave traces inside network traffic. Understanding communication patterns is a core cybersecurity skill. Modern applications constantly exchange data. Security testing begins by understanding these interactions. Every day, millions of cyber attacks happen. The more we understand them, the better prepared we become. Subscribe for deep dives and share this video.